Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hotwood, South Birmingham. So VW Tiguan 2 litre TDI BlueMotion Tech. It's a match edition. It's DSG automatic, it's 4-wheel drive and it's Euro 6 stop-start. It's just had the cam belt and the water pump replaced. It's done 66,000 miles. It's 2 owners from new. It'll come with a full MOT and it's £11,295. Lugano grey, really like this colour. Dark grey, actually non-metallic, quite trendy at the moment. Got the nice 18-inch alloy wheels. Got the winter pack, which is important, so heated seats, digital climate control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, automatic, keyless, front and rear park sensors, well spec'd. Lovely alloy wheels, new tyres, new rear brake discs, paintwork, really nice. Another nice wheel and a new tyre, not covered in stone chips. Front fog lamps, front park sensors. Inside, dark grey, a velour and sort of Alcantara suede and some cloth. Nice comfortable seats. Multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. As I say, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, digital climate control, self-parking assistant, keyless start, electronic handbrake, hill hold assist, automatic, 2 keys. Very nice car this. Drives very well. Super clean in there. Got the picnic tables on the backs of the seats. Privacy glass, aluminium roof rails. TDI 4Motion, so 4-wheel drive. Parcel shelves in there, boot super clean. Space saver spare wheel. Alloy nuts, the wheel locking key is in there to get the alloy wheels up. Jack, wheel brace, all complete. Very smart this. Again, this side, paintwork's lovely. Alloy wheels are in nice condition. New rear discs and pads, new tyre. Just had a cam belt and a water pump service. Nice front alloy wheel, new tyre. Automatic, 4-wheel drive, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, automatic headlamps. Multifunction steering wheel, voice control, cruise control. 66,138 miles from new. All there, very clean, fitted mats, no wear on the driver's seat. Lovely example. £11,295. Remember, this is Euro 6 ULEZ compliant. 2015 on a 65 plate, 2 owners, 66,000 miles, £11,295. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other Tiguans in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last few years. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.